And this is how to bind view to view model using a main toolkit in 240 seconds. So the first step is to install the package using NuGet, and then we can create a view models folder if you want, or else you can just put it in the root directory. And then we had to create a view model file, and then in that file we had to modify it to a public bashing class, inheriting from the observable object from the main toolkit. Yeah, in our main file we had to modify this in the content page, and then we can modify the .xaml.cs file to include this. Yeah, so let's get started. So let's put some labels and a into box and a box here. Yeah, so now we're gonna bind this label to this into box. So we right click on our solution, and then we go to manage toolkit packages, and then you can just have the real community toolkit. Yeah, and then there's the one here. Download. You can hit install, and then it'll install. After installing, we can go ahead and create a new folder called like view models, and in that we're gonna have to create a new class, or there's sorry, a new file where we can just name that main page view model, right? Yeah, and then we don't need this temporarily, and then modify this to public function class. Then this inherits from the observable object. That then IntelliSense will help out here. In order to bind the view to the view model, you're gonna have to create an observable property. Let's just do it string like demo text. Sure. Okay, so now we go back to our main page.xaml, and then yeah, and we're gonna do right click and then hit view code. I'm going to do the binding context here. This basically binds from the view to the view models. So that would be main page view model. Yeah. And then we had import that using there. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Now we can go back to here, and then we're gonna and we're going to bind in. We're going to demo tips. Yeah. So also we also don't forget the first letter is capitalized here, even though it's not capitalized, it's capitalized here, and this must work. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, it comes. It looks. Yeah. So in order to bind the label to the view model, you're gonna do this binding on both here and here. Yeah. So like whatever we type in here, it must bind to there. Yeah. So thanks for watching.